Hello, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I have a collection of some embellishments that I have collected that are from Stamperia. They are part of their Candy Christmas collection. Here's the junk journal that I showed in a past video. So if you're interested in seeing the flip through for this junk journal along with the other items from the collection, please make sure to go check that out. It's on my channel. I'll put a link down below so that you can check it out. It's such a cute little collection, and I had so much fun playing with it recently, and I wanted to share some of the things I did. I know I haven't been able to do a lot lately. I have arthritis and my hands have been hurting quite a bit, but I tried to get some stuff done for Christmas, and I made some really cute cards that I'll show you in a minute. I didn't make a lot of cards this year because, which I'll go over in a minute too, but let me first show you that there's some really cute embellishments, some ephemera, some die cuts, some stickers or adhesive die cuts in the collection. So they come packaged themselves, but some of these that I took out of the collection are from the junk journal, which is very easy to take apart some of the pages. Some of the die cuts in the junk journal come apart very easily. So let me just show you some of these. I mean, these are just so cute. Like, look at the Santa Claus. He's got like a sheen to him, so he's special. And I love the look on his face. And the little characters in this collection, I just can't get over them. How cute they are. They're little, the little elves. Got another one here. This one, so this is like a chipboard adhesive one. I think it's adhesive, or it's a die cut. And this one was in the junk journal. So if you look at the video that has the junk journal and the other parts of the collection, you'll see that there are all kinds of ways to use it where you can take die cuts out. There's, really firm, like this is a really, thick die cut that I took out. I think this one I took out of the collection, out of the junk journal. But there are ones like this in the junk journal, if this isn't the one I took out, along with, that you can buy separately. Some of these are just so cute. They have this, like, really cool sheen to them. So, yeah, it's like it's a fun collection. I don't have anything to do with Stamperia, but I just love some of their stuff. It's just so cute. And I just wanted to show, you can make these die cuts into tags just by like putting a hole at the top. If you have a crocodile or just a hole punch, that's a little tiny hole punch. Most of this is like a chipboard tag. It came with the hole already punched out. Some of them come like this where you have to like push the the little hole out, which I'm not going to bother with right now. I don't want to take up your time. But why I'm showing these two is because what I do for, oh my god, look at him, how cute he is, Santa's little helper. What I am ending up doing this year is, so I made cards that were, like pictures of our trip that we took this summer. We were able to go on trains all around Europe. When my son was over there studying abroad, we went for our 30th wedding anniversary. My husband and I met him, and then we took him on the trip with us. We went through Scotland and England, and then we went to France on the Eurostar, and then over to Netherlands. My husband's Dutch, so he really wanted to get to see the Netherlands. So that was where we ended our trip, and it was just beautiful. We loved it. We loved Amsterdam. We had so much fun. We got to see a friend there that I met, and years and years ago. So it was just a wonderful time, and I loved it. And so I took some pictures and put them into a card, and that was my Christmas card. This was like a huge trip for us. We don't do trips like that at all. We wanted to do it to meet up with our son and at his, at the college that he went to study abroad. He's actually coming home tomorrow from his college in upstate New York where he goes to school, and hopefully he'll be home, today soon, within a couple hours. Look at this little guy. He's adorable. So yeah, so I guess what I'm getting at is my trip was a special thing for our wedding anniversary and for us to meet up with our son, and probably never go back, but I'm so glad I got the chance to go. It was very, very exciting and fun. Look at these two little little girl and a little elf looking up at her. So I think these are adorable. It's an adorable collection, and I'm very lucky that we got to go on our trip. I'm very happy that my because it was mainly because of my dad, because of an inheritance I got from my dad. So just a small one, but enough to make it so we could go on this beautiful trip together. So here we go. This is some cards I made. Very simple. I used a background that was already pre-cut and pre-made, but you can always cut papers. Take an 8.5 by 11, cut it in half, and then fold it, and you'll have what's called an A2, right? A2, A4. You know which one I mean. I think it's an A2. So, the size is half of an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So you can make your own Christmas cards by cutting up pattern paper. Because if you have an 8.5 by 11 sheet, if you cut it in half, then you have a 4.25 by 5.5 sheet of paper that can be folded to make the size card. Okay, so this card, this is just a background I had in my stash. This is the one I chose, and I just thought these two snowmen were so adorable. So I'm gonna send that to one of my nieces and her daughter. And I have grown nieces that have children of their own. I have a niece, and my brother has 3 daughters, and they all have children. So this is my other niece, so I'm going to send this one to her with the little snow globe. They haven't seen these yet, but I wanted to share them with you, and show you how easy it is. I mean, this was a die cut. Actually, I cut this out myself, so it was fussy cut. So it's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. And this is a background from the junk journal, or one of the paper pads, and I put some little sticker candies on there, so really cute things. And here, this one's adorable too. And I didn't really embellish this just because I just loved how it looked the way it is. It looks like they're sitting on like a Pop-Tart, I guess. I don't know. But that she's on like gifts, but it looks like this frame is almost like they're in the frosting of a Pop-Tart. So I thought that was really cute. And then I put the stickers on of the little boy elf and the little girl elf here. They're looking up at her big sister, because this is, I thought this would be cute for my my other niece who has 3 children. So again, I'll just show you this again. This is the junk journal Candy Christmas. It's a great collection. If you want to get, look into it, I think you can get it online still. Maybe do a search. It might be in scrapbook.com or Simon Says Stamps or Cherry on Top. Those are the 3 places I often get things online. But it's a lot of fun, and go check out the video that I've done. I'm not going to do the flip through here because I've already done it, so make sure you check that out and get to have some fun with this collection. Happy holidays to everybody, and I hope to see you soon. I have a couple more collections to share, and then I'm done for the year, but see you soon. Thanks. Bye.